DJ Forex Ty. About to get it cracking in live. I need you guys to smash the like button right now. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. What I want you to do, if you're here on the Sunday, roll up your blunts, cause why? We about to go to up. Hey, look. First off, we're gonna start with the song so we can catch the vibe. Then we're gonna go to the charts, cause you know the tribe, baby. Let's go. Automatically, look. At the end of the day, in 2 weeks, I'm about to drop Trade or Die. You need to get this shit because it's going to take your profits to the sky, nigga. I'm telling you right now. This the book to buy right now when it come out in like 2 weeks. But when the book come out in 2 weeks, you about to eat. So let's talk about it. Hey, look, I was even talking about chart art. My whole purpose of writing the book was to turn the world into sharks, nigga. But we going to get cracking and get to these charts, though. I'm going to spark this blunt, nigga. We gonna get it cracking. I need you to spark yours too. And man, shut the front door. You locked in, we locked in. Let's get it cracking, man. Forex on Sundays. You know the vibes, man. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. My lifestyle crazy. Money on lazy. You know the vibes. Let's get it. Where my Oh yeah, we're gonna start off with that one. With that, this is just that trader shit. Hey, feel me? When we go slide there, we're gonna start with this right here. Like I said, make sure you smack the like button, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you smack the like button and feel the vibe. If you feel the vibe, hey, look, this the wild tribe. We turned up over here. When we look at the charts, we don't like to be bored. So in the chat, say I don't like to be bored. In the chat, I don't like to be bored. Come on, turn up, nigga. Let's go.
This is just that trader shit. West side, west side, west side. Hey, this is just that trader shit. East side, east side, east side. Hey, this shit is that trader shit.
Oh, it's a vibe today, ladies and gentlemen.
This is just that trader shit. This is just that trader shit. West side,
we're gonna start with DXY.
This is just that trader shit. East side, east side, east side, east. This is just that trader shit.
It's that trader shit.
North side, north side, north. This is
talk to him, Ty. What you gotta say?
Shit. And we ride, we ride, we ride, we. Thug talk, big dogs, the market get it off. See my opposition lacking, Captain Smith, let's spark it off. I'm a Long Beach, West Side nigga from the jump. Man, and Forest niggas scary, they don't wanna line it up. All my little homies active, put in work, ain't scared of nothing. Drop them motherfucking windows if we see them, wet them up. Niggas be who.
Oh yeah, we going up today. We going up today. We going up today. Hey, so we gonna start with DXY in the chat. I need y'all to be like DXY, DXY, man, DXY. I gotta keep this thing cracking. My energy live right now, man. Look, I'm fresh off of working on the workbook, fresh off some dance moves, fresh off of recording a new track. You know what I'm saying? Your boy turned up, the energy lit, man. That's why I came to this bitch live in 5. Put a 5 in the chat right now, cause we live in 5. Shit. All right, man. It's the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, real quick, I'm gonna show you what I see. Quick little inverted head and shoulders. All right. We're going to look at the whole structure. That's on DXY. We're going to look at the whole structure. This little blue box was just a little retest zone. Look left, trade right, look left. If you guys been with me, cool. Today, I'm not in super teaching mode. We're going to do these quick markups. I'm out of here in like 30 minutes. Like I said, like your boy was recording fresh off the dance moves and shit. So really, I just been getting busy. What, 2 weeks? We got the show shit, or the show, the book signing, the motherfucking album release, the new merch release, the book release. You know what I'm saying? So we going up and getting cracking like that. Say like that. What's up, boy? Say like that, like that, like that. We going up. So look, inverted head and shoulders. We got some solid liquidity right here. Prices pulling out of here. All right. Now what we're going to do, delete this real quick. Bam. Go to the daily chart. All right, go to the daily chart. Do you see the market pushing up? Do you see what the market pushing up is? Now, these are 3 white candlesticks. All right, 3 white candlesticks, and super simple. I said I wasn't going to teach, but goddamn it, we're going to have to look at something real quick. All right, so what I want you to do, right? What I want you to do is tell me when you see 3 white candlesticks, right? What is that pattern called? And it's called something. It's called 3 white fill in the blanks. 3 white fill in the blanks. Come on. Come on. Y'all know it. And smack that like button too. Smack the like button too. Smack the like button too. You feel me? Let's get it. Fill in the blank. 3 white what? Fill in the blank. Let me see. Oh, okay. Okay, Miss Ken them. Okay, playlist. Wet Willie, I see you. Who is that? Somebody Lou? D Vlogs, K Dap, Daniel Peter. Hey, look. So I'm look. Hey, so this the real people who trade. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about. I was like, man, I see when I do these lives, I want to talk to the people that I trade, the people that understand the game, people that understand the game, man. Hey, man, clap for yourself one time, man. Clap for yourself one time. Let's get that energy cracking. Let's get that energy cracking in this bitch. Let's get that energy cracking in this bitch. I know you getting it cracking. Let's go back to these charts. So we got 3 white soldiers on DXY on the daily. Also knowing that, we have the technical analysis and we have a fundamental analysis. All right. Now, technically, what do you see? Fundamental is the fundamentals, baby. It's the news. All right. So we're going to use technicals. Technically, we see 3 white soldiers. We see the market looking bullish. It already pulled off of this consolidation zone. When we look left, what's this little pattern right here? It's not necessarily a pattern, but it's liquidity. It's nice support. It's a nice low demand zone. So it could be support or it could be demand. All right. Super simple. I like to keep Forex simple. Over here, we're going to keep Forex simple. I'm not going to confuse you. Look, man, when you get the book, literally get a chance to see how my mind thinks. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's, man, I gave you the Forex instruction manual. It is the black book, trade or die. All right, let's get it. We're going to keep it moving though. DXY, we see that continue pushing up. We can get back to about 114 this week if we continue pushing. All right, so we're going to go ahead and slide to gold. All right, slide to gold. Look at gold. Go ahead and pulling out of this nice little supply zone. Gold was already trending down. It's a nice little supply zone right here, right? Gold was already trending down. All right, so look, every time it gets in this little, this little fill. Feel me? It's already trending down. So if DXY keeps pushing up, then we can get gold pulling right out of this nice little supply zone, possibly pushing to the downside. We already got candlesticks and the technicals. See, that's why we got technicals and fundamental analysis. Now we got the technicals showing us, hey, we got price looking bearish that like it can do what? Continue pushing to the downside. So if we do get some dollar strength, then yes, we might just see gold dropping them drawers in the fucking chat right now. Drop some peaches in the chat right now. Drop some peaches in the chat if you think gold gonna drop them drawers. Drop some peaches in the chat if you think gold gonna drop them drawers. Drop them in the chat, man. We get that dollar strength. Gold might just keep tilting to the downside. Get to about 1670. Get to about 1640. And then peaches in the chat. Peaches and cream. What I mean? Hey, remember that song? We was getting it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm a 90s baby, you know what I'm saying? So I rock with y'all. This the energy I like. This border. Spark your blood. We about to go back to the charts. Y'all say back to the charts, baby. Let's get it. Let's go. Go back to the charts, man. All right, boom. We're going to 30 pack. 30 pack. Oh, we got the 30 pack pulling out of liquidity as well. Look at that 30 pack pulling out of liquidity. Also, the dopest part about that 30 pack, what I want you to see is this is the morning star. Now, check it. This morning star isn't as strong. We're going to, put it right here. Boom. Since the candlestick isn't as strong, we'll go ahead and clean this up. So you can see right now it's not a super strong because it's not a big ass engulfer and big ass Marabot too, right? But it's still giving us direction. Then the next day came, boom, right off the morning star, because it is a morning star, just so you know. Oh, does patterns work? What's this pattern right here? And I'm gonna let y'all answer it in the chat. Then we're gonna go in and get it cracking. Come on. I'm trying to hit this blunt too. So go ahead in the chat. What's the pattern? I mean, not morning star, evening star. My bad. What's the pattern? I'm smoking right now, so y'all gonna be like, it's not a morning star, it's an evening star. He doesn't know what he's talking about. Shit. But come on, man. I didn't gave it away. Look, I didn't gave it away, man. Goddamn. I do my own sound effects, man. All right, let's get it. We're going to do our own sound effects. Let's get back to the charts, man. All right, so, hey, NASDAQ, smoking on that gas pack. Now, US 30, it is in quite a area, right? Now I want you to look at this area right here, because this is new support / demand. It's not all the way. If we look left, we can find some more demand, right? But just for the daily, this is what it's retesting off. That's why you see the price pulling off. It left the wick there, just a solid little wick. You know what I'm saying? Why did it leave the wick? Because price actually shot to the low, right? Pull back up, and that's why the candle is looking how it's looking. Now, yes, price could continue to the downside. We have the dollar pushing up, right? The dollar pushing up aggressively. If the Fed continues to drive the rates, the dollar is going to continue pushing up, hey, passive aggressively, all right, which could drive the market what in a bear market. That's what we're currently in. If we go ahead and look at the monthly, right, you can see what's really going on. Price did shoot up to get a nice little retest in this little supply area right there, and that got filled, right? Or a retest zone or consolidation. I like to call it the ruins. There's 1,001 names for this one little area right here using this rectangle. All right. And like I said in the book, I simplify everything. So trade or die, October 21st. All right. So you see price pulling against this. Hey, US 30 can possibly pull down to the 27,000 area. It could possibly pull down there. All right, that's like the next zone. But this is the monthly. So let's go back to the day and the week. This is our week. So we see we did push up for the week and got a retest. So we could blow back down to about 27.2. You know what I'm saying? It's a possibility. But how to catch that? All right. First, I always feel like it's going to be a retest. So I don't know why. I just always feel like it's going to be a retest. If price does retest, right? 27.8 or 27.9, I feel like price will pull back about 500, 700 points, and then just continue dropping. If it's to continue dropping, if we still get the dollar strength, then if the yields keep pushing top side, yields is going. So if yields keep pushing top side, then I'm expecting 30 to just keep dropping them drawers. Can we get some more peaches in the chat? All right, let's get it. Hey, smack that like button, share the feed. Smack that like button and share the feed. Let's get it. All right. So we about to go to that NASDAQ, smoking on that gas pack. Hey, look, fill in the blanks, man. NASDAQ, smoking on that gas pack. Let's get it, fill in the blanks. I know y'all know this. That one should be easy for y'all. Let me get the chat cracking right here. Fill in the blanks. That one should be easy for y'all. Fill in the blanks. Let's get it. Then we're gonna go to NASDAQ. Then we got that XPX5 slide when the bank ride. You feel me? We got that too. I'm gonna get that loaded up. That's the XPI5. I really got a song. I got US 30. I got doom doom doom. Run that shit. Doom doom. Run that shit. Hey doom doom doom. Run that shit. Hey doom. Run that shit. Doom doom. Flip that shit. Run that shit back. Trade again and I run up the pack. Hey, mask on and run up the. Yeah, that shit be going. You feel me? So let's get it. We're gonna slide over to NAS in a second though. You feel me? And yeah, let's ride. So, boom. Shout out to all the new people here. Shout out to everybody else, man. Forex on Sundays, like I said, it got to be a vibe. This Forex shit is boring. You feel me? So it's going to be a lot of places where you go and it's going to put you to sleep. Like, they was putting me to sleep, so I had to do my own thing. I don't even watch them channels because, like, I produce the Forex content, but I cannot watch it. I don't, bro. So I really commend y'all for watching this shit because, like, it's not entertaining at all. You feel me? So I feel like it was a dire need for a nigga like me to come in and just reinvent because, bro, like, even the book it's a fun read. Like, you get what I'm saying? But boom, we're gonna slide to that NAS pack. Boom, NAS pack still pulling to the downside, so we can continue bearish. Why? That's just what the market is giving us right now. You know what I'm saying? So even checking the weekly, all right, you got, like, it's looking like a gravestone doji because a dragonfly doji is like a dragonfly tail. It looked like it's going up. Hey, shout out Wet Willie, man. Bro said keep it up, P. Hey, appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Bro came through with the big donation. Man, I gotta send you a book, G. I gotta send you a book. You need to hit me with your email. You know what I'm saying? Take care of you. It ain't gonna be released until the 21st, but you can get one. You know what I'm saying? I got you. But check it. So NASDAQ just retesting off the top side. The weekly still saying, hey, since we got that gravestone doji, gravestone is the doji pointed down. Dragonfly is the doji pointed up. All right. Gravestone is the doji pointed down. All right. Dragonfly or kangaroo tail is doji pointing up. Just so you know. All right. So we got a gravestone looking like, hey, price could continue pushing to the downside. If so, what's that? 10,646. That's 400 points. And then the crazy low is like 9,000. But it's weak. Look at the weekly. It's just falling. So hopefully we get some pull to the top side. We can find some scalps in there. But as of now, I'm looking at this downside boogie. You know what I'm saying? Looking at this downside boogie for sure. What I do see on the 4, right? All right, this nice little pin bar forming. All right, you could throw some harmonics on there, but I still feel like we can, get down here in this little demand zone. If we don't break, it's gonna turn into a solid demand, solid support. If it's sitting in support, the next thing you know, price will try to, start curling itself back up to about 11.5. So definitely, look for price to get to about 10,008, 10,009, somewhere around there. If it doesn't break, then it should start turning around. And I think it's gonna trade in this range. It's already pretty much giving us a range. Here's the range from 11.6 to about 10.8. You feel me? So that's a nice little range. Then the smaller range was like 11,000 to 11.5. So you feel me? We got a nice little range right there we're gonna play with and see if it gets down there. So what I would do is just wait for the market move, going on a smaller time frame, try to scalp. You feel me? You don't want to scalp the lows, you want to scalp the pullbacks, especially with trading with what it is right now. And then just know that, yeah, price could, just push topside on you real quick because it's the market and it's low prices. So just know it's the market and it's low prices. People are going to look at them low prices like, hey, man, the price is low. You know what I'm saying? Let me try to get on some more. You feel me? So we could get some bullish action pushing it as well. All right. So let's go ahead and slide to that SPY. Slide to the SPY with some nice double top action right there. All right. Price in the smack, the nice little liquidity zone. That's right. You can see all the candlestick wicks to the left right here. So trade right. Super simple, man. Trade right. That's where we're looking. While the market is moving. While we're looking left. Super simple. I talk about that a lot in the book. You know what I'm saying? But that's like common knowledge, man. That's shit people should already know. Straight right, look left. You feel me? But basically, we got price that's already retesting this zone right here. All right, it's in or around the area. It left a little wick right there, and this one left like it didn't leave a gravestone. The gravestone will be down, and then boom, and then dragonfly is up. You feel me? But it's still a little red. So the question is it gonna take this little dragonfly and start printing like a little morning star? You feel me? If that's the case, and we get a morning star, then boom. We just take the support all the way up to about 38. What is that? 38.86. You feel me? That's like 200 points on that bitch. So you feel me? But I still feel like we're gonna probably blow to the downside. If not, just be ready to go. You kind of have to, you know what I'm saying, get popping. You have to get popping on the charts, just like if you in a fade. You know what I'm saying? Like everybody comes in, they have their one bias, like, oh, it's about to sell. So either A, you can sit there, let this shit drop. You feel me? Put your sell stops in, catch your sell stop to the downside, and then boom, eat like that. B, you could play, you feel me, liquidity side, play like, you know, another type of game as well, and let price just get low and get down there. Then you take your buy out of there. You know what I'm saying? So it's really dependent on you, and it's dependent on what the market is gonna print. So when market opens, let it give you direction, and we're gonna run. Somebody said, can I get the ebook version of your book? So there won't be any ebook version sold for, you know, for a cool minute, but you guys will be able to get hardcover and soft copy. I just want, you know, I'm really big on, you know, people having a physical. So starting off, like the only way to get the book, if you really want it, is to have the book. You gotta like, and then I think that's the thing too. Like people gonna be like, hey, shit, did you get it? Like, nigga, you gotta get it. You know what I'm saying? So you can't just, you know, download it. We ship anywhere in the world. It's Amazon gonna be able to ship anywhere in the world. So it'll get to you. You know what I mean? Just like I said, make sure you get you a hardcover or the soft copy. All right. So now let's go ahead and get to Bitcoin. You feel me? Like I said, I was gonna be in and out of here today. Smack that like button. Smack that like button. Smack that like button. Smack the like button. Just because like I'm recording songs, I'm like I got more dance moves I'm working on. I didn't turn my shit on. My pin drop game stupid right now. You feel me? So I'm just trying to turn it into more shit. Like it just yeah. And then yeah, I've been working on new shit. Like I said, I got that 720 down. The 720 is crazy. Really. So really, it's like a cheat 720 kick. You feel me? Is it really? Is it tornado? I don't know if it's a tornado, but it's a hook. I think it's like it's a cheat 720 hook kick or something like that. You got to like spin, so you spin 2 times. So it's like boom, spin, and then the last one you go up, drive the knee up, and then boom, release. That shit is fire. You know what I'm saying? Just you know, check me out. I'm gonna show y'all. It's gonna be lit as fuck. You feel me? But yeah, your boy in here like Tasmanian Devil, like chi, nigga, turning up my chi, just living in my peace. Woo-sa. Don't bring your bitch ass over here though. I'm on my woo-sa, nigga. If you break the woo-sa, it's up. Hey, but we going to Euro USD. All right. So we was looking at DXY. DXY looked like what? It looked like the inverted head and shoulders. You know what I mean? Y'all know what I mean. Hey. So now we looking at Euro USD. And we would look at Euro USD. Let me hit the motherfucking bombs for that one time. Euro USD. Because it might be going to the downside. Yeah. Say downside in the chat. If we get dollar pushing up, giving us the strength, then Euro USD is going to fuck around and get bit. If the dollar give us the strength, then Euro USD going to get bit. Do you feel me? Easy, man. All right. And then we, like I said, we got price already in this little liquidity zone right here. Right. Some little. There we go. Let's get the rectangle tool. So I'm going to take this rectangle tool and just highlight this zone right here. Bam. And magically, I just turned that into a zone. You feel me? So it's 2 ways to read that. That can either be support, right? And then this will be the resistance or the supply, right? Or this could be demand. You feel me? So it's 2 different ways to word it. But it's literally the same shit. Some candlesticks, consolidation, and a rectangle box. Some candlesticks, motherfucking consolidation, and a rectangle box. And a rectangle box? A rectangle box? Man, let's get it though. Also, see, we have a head and shoulders printed over here as well. All right, so here's the head, the left shoulder, bam. The head, bam. The right shoulder. Bam, it didn't get super cracking up there, but here we go, and it just hanging. So hey, dollar gets strong. We got Euro USD pushing about 95. It's like what, 200 pips down. So if you want to catch a short or whatever we at, you could do like 20 pips down. Right now price is 9442, so probably enter around 97,200 something once it break all the way underneath this bitch, and get busy with it. Let the dollar go and just trade dollar versus fucking euro. You know what I mean? Like I showed you guys in that last stream. Make sure you smack the like button too. Let's get it cracking. Let's get it cracking. Let's get it cracking. All right, man. But look, like I said, this forex shit for me, I like to keep everything super simple. I like to keep everything super simple as we keeps me profitable. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to confuse you. You don't need any made up terms and terminology and jargon. So in the 1800s, these Japanese candlesticks, right? I forgot that it was like Hiramoshi. I don't know how to pronounce his name, but it's with an H. All right. So he invented this whole Japanese candlesticks just because the dude was trading rice. And when he invented it, he made these Japanese candlesticks really, really simple to read because he wanted to be able to read and understand the markets. So Hiramoshi, yeah, it's something like that. Hiramoshi is something with H, like I said, you know, but he made these candlesticks simple to read so we can be able to read and understand these things. Now, that's the technical analysis part of things. See, the candlesticks came from the Japanese guy, and it came over to America's like late 1800s, early 1900s. You feel me? As we had the NYSE hit in New York and then Los Angeles. You know what I'm saying? Next thing you know, the Western society starts to adopt the Japanese candlesticks and starts to adopt technical analysis. And then that's how we got to here today with the whole development of us, you know, in the Americas using like the technical analysis method. All right. Because we used to use like bar charts and stuff like that and line graphs. So just a little history lesson on technical analysis. And then what I'm saying is also, in a sense, just keep it simple. That's it. Keep it simple. All right. So GBP, it should look like the same thing. We're already in trend. So what's the trend? It's already trending to the downside because the dollar has been doing what? Pushing top side. So if we do get the dollar pushing, you know, top side, hey, GBP should end up doing the same thing. This is a head and shoulders. Let me go ahead and get the head and shoulders tool just so you can see what I'm saying. Boom, left shoulder. All right, the head. Boom, right shoulder. You don't have to use the tool, but I'm just letting you know, like, hey, that's the tool. There it is. It's marked for you just so you can see. Yes, we are at some support, at some demand. So there's also a dragonfly doji and it's pointing up. So the market could open. Hey, dollar pulls back a little bit. And then we may end up retesting like 11.5 or retesting this top. What's this, like 11.9, maybe 112. You feel me? Maybe 112. So you just have to trade what you see. I feel like the dollar, if it does remain bullish, DXY, that's what I'm talking about, then this pair is going to just continue dropping downside. And I feel like the goal for the week should be about 107 if we get the break. That's like 200 pips down. You feel me? So let's get it. 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 All right. And then oil. You feel me? Oil going to keep pushing topside. I actually like how oil is looking. We got to read it from the daily. That shit is out of here. So we look left. All right. We got some supply here. Meaning we got some consolidation. All right. Here's a nice little wick right here. Nice little wick right here. This one. All right, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to try to make it a little bit bigger so we can, you feel me, really get it cracking with this wick right here. That's what I'm talking about. So maybe that should have pulled back and try to retest that bitch off of 98 if it's not already full. I feel like this zone though, like price is already in this zone, so we could come up a little bit more. That's like 99, maybe $100. That's the top of these wicks, and then retest off. Oil is super bullish, so definitely expecting a nice little pullback. All right, definitely expecting a pullback. And then also got some harmonics working as well inside of this zone. So here's the zone. I think this shit is called like a bearish shark or some shit like that, because the butterfly is fatter, or bearish dragonfly or something like that. But here it is. I think the shark is like super small, so I'm thinking that's what this one is, because I don't really know the names, like, you feel me? So you ask me what's the harmonic joints, I don't have all the names down, but I could trade the hell out of the patterns. Like, I'll be able to see the patterns, you feel me? But I just don't have the names down. That's the only thing. All right, but if we do, like I said, if oil fills, we should see like $99, $100, and then boom, price start pulling back to about 94, 95. So that's what I'm expecting. I always expect like a pullback. You know what I'm saying? That's just what it is, especially when price is like super high and it's just been pushing. Hey, but the trend is your friend. It could push. It's just like, especially with it being this high, it's like, okay, it could squirt up a little bit, then bah, pull back. You know what I'm saying? And you just got to be able to catch that. So trade what you see, trade what stops, and that's what it is. Bitcoin, Bitcoin has been in the same range. You feel me? We come here every week and mark it up, and Bitcoin is literally in the same range. I haven't changed. This was last week's markup. You feel me? Or I don't know when was we last marked it up, but this was last week's markup. I haven't changed it. I haven't came over here and fucked with it. All I'm gonna do is take this, extend it out. All right, take this, extend it out. So we're not even here in ranging right now. The range is like 20,000 and 18.4. So we're gonna sit between this, and this is a daily chart too. So Bitcoin, until we get some juice and some gas, shit, between 20,000 and 18.4, around 20,000. If no break to the top side, sell it down. When it gets to about 18,000, shit, if it doesn't show any bearish signs on the like 5 minute, 1 hour charts, then get ready to buy that bitch back up, because that's the range, and it should just keep ranging back and forth. All right. Shit, I was out of here and like we knocked that out quick. Usually I'll be on here super dragging it out, super teaching, but like it don't really take all that. You know what I'm saying? The Forex is simple if you keep it simple. The Forex is extremely simple if you keep it simple. You know what I'm saying? And really, to run through your charts, it should take you, I don't know, no longer than 5 minutes to scan everything. Like even if you running your I guess if you're back testing or something, that's what it is. But nah, for me, I like to keep shit extremely simple, super simple. You know what I mean? Also, I wanted to let you know too. We got these, so I'm only making 200 of these right here. All right, so I don't know if you guys been tapped in to the whole trade gang wave and what we got going on. All right, but we got these hoodies that are about to drop. All right, we got 200 limited edition. That shit about, he said, what's the psychology tips right in this book, man. What's the event you trying to do in LA? It's gonna be like a book signing / a little performance show type of vibe. It's gonna be a little vibe for y'all, a little vibe. Then you guys have an opportunity to network with each other and get it popping like that. You know what I'm saying? But check this out. So we about to slide over here real quick. So this is the Trader Die hoodie. Okay, so these will be done next week on the 14th. So I have them on the 14th. We just upped the quality to like crazy. So really, I can't even wait for you to see them. But look, you can get your pre-orders in. We're only making 200. That's it. I'm not printing no more. When you bringing them back? Never. It's like an exclusive Trader Die drop that's coming with the book and then coming with the new album. So, for the people who get them, the whole goal is for, people to start reselling, so you guys are able to make your bread as well. That's why we priced it low, but, enjoy. You know what I'm saying? It's $130. All right. Y'all trade Forex, and that just is what it is. All right. We got the shorts as well. All right. We got the shorts as well. Let me show you the shorts. So, you feel me, the shorts as well, and those will also be out on the 21st. You feel me? But hey, look, right now I'll have them on like the 14th, so I have them next week. You guys will be able to see them. And look, man, I've upgraded. Like I said, I upgraded the quality like crazy. So I get your pre-orders in. We're only making 200 shorts. We're only making 200 of the Trader Die hoodies. I know it's 100,000 people that follow me, or 100,000 plus. Look, I'm only selling 200, and that's it. You guys will be able to get regular Forex hoodies. You'll be able to get the championship pack, stuff like that. That's what we restock on. But this Trader Die drop is exclusive as fuck. All right, let's get it. So I'm gonna give you guys a chance right now to ask me some questions in the chat real quick. Just ask me some questions in the chat. So the website, tradegang.com, for the people who want to tap into my VIP mentorship. Nah, fucking with you. But now I got like signals and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys want to get my money alerts, that's what I call them. I've been running that shit for almost like 1.5 years, 2 years now. But yeah, just tap in, you know what I'm saying? It's $100 a month. All right. We trade indexes, we trade gold, we trade oil. I'm saying I had to charge $100 because look, if you just do a 0.01 on one of the trades, you've made your money back. And we talk about a whole month. So, I mean, shit, bro, you're gonna be straight. Most people stay for about 3-4 months. They make their bread, you know what I'm saying? They learn how to trade, they go do their own thing. That's why I love it, you know what I'm saying? So you get a chance to learn. I post the charts and everything as well. You feel me? So that's how we get it. That's how we get it. That's how we get it. That's how we get it, man. That's how we get it. You said say hi to who? Shit, bro, I be in the streets. We don't even, that Dave don't bring no bells outside of nothing but the little bubble that's created in Twitter. We talking real famous success, man. We ain't playing out here, man. Tell them niggas come see me. I been that motherfucker over, bro, grandma, his mama. they whole family in front flip over all of them, nigga. And at the end, hit them with that. Remember how the wrestlers used to be like, with that, nigga, real quick. That's what we on. Greatness, body, mind, soul, energy. You feel me? Keep your mind first. All right, let's get it. Keep your motherfucking vibe second, because you need your mind, and then you got to establish your vibe. Keep your mind first, then you got to establish your vibe. Once you establish your vibe, you establish your tribe. You either gonna have a no-fly zone for some bullshit, or, you know what I'm saying? That's just what it's gonna be. You go put up what you put up with, man. Let's get it. You said, are the hoodies delivered worldwide? Yes. And I got a new manufacturer, and bro basically told me he could be my fulfillment center too, so I don't have to hold all the stock. Hey, they got a whole team that could push the shit out. You know what I'm saying? He said, yo, Ty, I saved that 1K. Do you think I should take 500 to a prop form anyway, or use the 1K to? Well, it's really up to you, brother. You know what I'm saying? If you want to go for the prop firm thing and you think you're nice, then go ahead and do it. Do it. You know, I would say knock that out. But if not, if you don't feel like, you know, you have the trading unlock, I would take that 1K and either A, go invest in a mentorship, B, go buy, you know, some books and shit, C, workbooks, get your mind right. Go, you know, invest in yourself. So really, it's up to you on how you do it. You know what I mean? Can we pre-order the book? Yes. So the pre-order, I'm waiting for the ISBN right now. Once I get the ISBN, then I'll be able to release a pre-order link. That's the only thing we're waiting for. All right. What are my thoughts on AUD USD? Well, if it's an inverted head, not inverted, but if it's a head and shoulders like EU and then Great British Pound US dollar, then what I feel about AUD USD is that it's gonna drop just like that. You know what I'm saying? How much is the book is gonna be? It's gonna be $49.99. All right, $49.99. That's how much the book gonna be. All right, it's some fire ass game in there, man. I went stupid in there. Like I said, like, see, books is a way like you can flex your knowledge, like, you know what I'm saying? Because like people underestimate you. They like, oh man, they see this hood nigga, you know what I'm saying? And it's pretty dope, like, you know. So I got off in the book though. I was like, yeah, nigga, I can't wait. Because people underestimated. They be like, yeah, he be on here with the Forest Have on one, but don't even trip. Because we went and put it all in here so you can really see. He said, get the ISBN and your book goes to the Library of Congress in DC. Hey, that's lit as fuck. You know, that is really, really dope. But yeah, that's what I'm waiting for, the ISBN number right now. And it should be here within a few days. Then I will post the pre-order link. So please, if you're active right now, hey, go turn on your notifications. All right, go turn on the notifications. We're going to hit bestsellers list before the drop, for sure. Like this book, I want you to order because I wrote it to change your life. I didn't write it for me. Understand? You know what I'm saying? I didn't write it for me. I did it for you. So we're going to hit bestsellers list because that's, nigga, us changing all them lives, all them people getting that information, that good game. You get what I'm saying? Like, he said, re-up on a hater. That song is lit. Yeah. That song is lit. Well, we at that 30 minute now. Let's get it. Hey, but check it, man. She said green and black hoodie is the best. Okay. He said $50 for keep us updated on the sales figures. Yeah, I'm gonna keep you updated as we hit everything. Is the trading signals only through Facebook, Ty? No, it's actually through Telegram. So you get an alert on your phone. The link is in my bio if you guys want to get my money alerts. And like I said, shit, fuck it, test it. See if I am who I say I am. That's the way to do it right there. If you I don't trust this guy, man, fuck it, jump in. It's $100. You know what I'm saying? Shit, you talk about Forex, take the goddamn risk. Straight up. Somebody said get in screen to model the hoodie, please. Yeah, I got you. We're gonna turn up. I got you. What kind of alerts? Only Forex? No. So I don't really trade too much Forex no more. It's like indexes, oil, and gold. That's what I was telling you. You feel me? That's why I set the price point at what it was. So like I said, the link in the bio is for all that. If that's what you want to do, tap in. Somebody said, do you risk 1% or more? So yeah, I have a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So for every $1 that I spend, I want to make 3 back. That's just, anywhere in life. So I feel like once I really start trading, that's what made me adapt that with everything that I do. You feel me? Okay, I got 1. How I get 3 back? How I get 4 back? How I get 5 back off this 1? You know what I'm saying? So you said, my little bro said, if you can make a living off your signals, Shit, hell yeah, bro. 100 a month, and I'm sending you index signals, bro. You just all you got to do is have the proper risk management, and you can eat. And it's not like, oh, I want to sell myself, but bro, you can for sure eat off my shit. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, most people stay 3 to 4 months. They learn how to trade because I'm putting charts and shit. You know what I'm saying? So you be all right. Like, you like, okay, cool. That's why we getting there. Okay, yeah, nigga, that's why we getting in there. You know what I'm saying about the baby you? I want you to eat. That's why I wrote the book. You feel me? Like, man, people got $50 billion trading courses, man. Like, this, bro, Trade or Die, dead ass, like I said, it's going to compete with that. And I want you to put this shit up against all the shit that y'all didn't buy. Because y'all some money spenders. All right? Put this shit up, be like, oh, man, yeah, nigga, tell me. Not even trying to big myself up, but I'm just letting you know, like, I went hard. I put a trader course in the book because I wanted to motherfucking make sure the world can always eat. When my daughter grow up, she gonna be able to boom, eat. When my grandsons grow up, they gonna be able to boom. You get what I'm saying? Do you get what I'm saying? Shit. I'm gonna be here forever, but I ain't gonna be here forever. So shit, my kids gonna be able to eat. Bam, okay, granddad went in there. Okay, yeah. So that's what a pip is. So this is the dragonfly doji. This is the candles. Yeah, nigga, that's what it is. You feel me? But hey, we need to get on that bestsellers list though. So it's gonna take 1,000 to 5,000 sales like first week. So that's 1,000 people. You know what I'm saying? 1,000 sales. Let's get that shit cracking. I feel like we with Instagram, YouTube, and my Twitter not super booming because I don't even be on there, but like Instagram and shit, then we should be able to Instagram and YouTube, we should definitely be able to hit it. The pre-sales is going up. Somebody said his signal's legit. Y'all have made money with him and learn how to trade. Well, shit, there you go. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, hey, if they wasn't, niggas of show be in here trashing my name though. Hey, they be tarnishing them up. Hey, you know how people get? Hey, Ty, trash. Woo. They be going up. You know what I'm saying? So, for real, man. But nah, look, I appreciate you guys as a community. One more thing. I got to show you one more thing because, hey, we going up, man. We going up. All right, we going up. So, the signal thing right here. So, like I said, the link is in the description. But also, I want you to check out this. Let's pull it up right now. I want you to check out the cover art for the new album, Trade or Die 2, y'all. Trade or Die 2, bro. We about to go. First off, we got Punk Beats that produced that shit. And then I got Wood on the Beat that's engineering. Bro, the whole tape crazy. It's the LA sound that's mixed with, Forex at the highest degree. We just went crazy with this, you know what I'm saying? So I definitely cannot wait for you guys to check out this project. It's a project that, hey man, I put my heart and soul into. I wanted, especially in the bass lines, I was big on, I'm making concert songs. So as I'm doing the records, I'm thinking about you guys being at the shows and singing the stuff back. You guys being at the shows and how the bass is hitting. Dum, 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 dum. Nigga, do you understand what that sound like? And then big ass concert speakers to the left and to the right. Your whole body just, oh shit, we lit. So like that definitely everything, you know what I'm saying? Everything that we did is by design. And I appreciate everybody I was on the production of, the records, because I have a dope ass team. So shout out to the team as well. You know what I mean? Because everybody's like, oh, I could do it by myself, but really it takes like a whole plethora of people to. I got caught mouth. A whole plethora of people to get shit done. And shout out to Raw Wills. That was the artist that did the artwork as well. All right. He said, I need a hard copy to put in my arsenal on one of them hoodies. Yeah, the hoodies, like I said, these aren't going to drop probably until like December. You know what I mean? But right now, we got Trade or Dies. You guys make sure you get it. It's 200 of them. You can start pre-ordering now. People have, you know what I mean? So it's really up to you on, hey, if you get a hoodie or not. When you see us rocking them, it is what it is. It's going to be exclusive because 200 people got them, bro. You know the value. You know what I'm saying? You like, damn, like, you didn't get one. You got to wait for the next drop. You know what I'm saying? You can get the other hoodies, though. Shit, you can get the other shorts, but this is exclusive to the book. All right, now it's your boy Ty. I'm about to slide out of here. I'll be posting, I have an event coming up, so I'll be posting the information either later today or like early tomorrow or early in like another, you know what I'm saying, maybe like 1 or 2 days. But hey, the 21st, everything should be locked in and we going up. Somebody said I'm gonna have my 50 ready. I appreciate that. Like I said, just support. It's not for me, it's for you. I definitely, want to get on that bestsellers list so more people can have access to the book. Like I said, it's not about sales, it's not about anything, it's not about even getting on the list, but it's so we have a trading book where people can learn, you know what I'm saying, like Naked Forex or, Market Wizard by, and things like that. So, but to be honest, I feel like Trade or Die is like the simplified version of all them. Like, the psychology in here is crazy. The risk management is crazy. The strategies are crazy. And the thing about all those authors, dead ass, never seen them trade. Oh, okay. I'm just saying though. But Ty, yeah, nigga, you know the motherfucking vibes is trade or die. Hey, I'm about to get up out of here, man. We about to get up out of here, man. So look, man, appreciate you guys. Hey, shout out where you from in the chat before I leave. I want to shout out some cities, you know what I'm saying? I didn't even get a chance to shout out the cities today. So let me, you know what I'm saying? Shout out some cities, man. Let's get it cracking. Shout out some cities. Let me shout out your cities, and then I'm about to slide up out of here, man. Broward County, let's get it. Houston, oh, let's get it. Compton, Gardena, New York, LA. Oh, LA ain't here. Houston, Texas going up. Trade or Die, let's get it. Lake Worth, Florida, Paris. Oh, wow. Houston again. New York, H-Town, they going up. Stockton, California. Mexico in this joint. Mexico. Hey, Atlanta in here, what's up? Hey, we all over. We coast to coast. Louisiana, China, Arkansas. From Louisiana to China? Hey, we could get a book out there. Phoenix, Arizona, we can get a book out there. Bay Area, Qatar. It's coming. We got it coming to you, man. Let's go. Jacksonville, Florida. England, let's go. The UK. Trinidad and Tobago. Hey, y'all are out here. Yo, this is lit. Hey, this crazy. North Carolina, South Africa, United Kingdom, Romania. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to South Africa, to Peninsula, the Derby, UK, LA, California. Okay, let's get it. South Africa, Spain, Montreal. Let's get it. Kenya in the building. Sierra Leone. Hey, let's go, man. It's a vibe over here. This that Trade Gang Tribe. If you haven't got your Trade Gang merch, head over to the store, get your Trade Gang merch, man. It's your boy Ty. I'm about to slide off this bitch, man. Appreciate you guys once again. I'm gonna have the details coming to you for the book release, for the signing, for the performances, for the shows. Let's go. Let's get